Okay, now we have our basic blog. Let's have a quick run down the menu down the left hand side. You can ignore the top view for the time being. Posts, all posts. This will list all the posts that you've made. You can add a new post, and it does the title, and there you have your menu bar. Text for adding code. Here you have your media and your media library. This is where you can add images, but quite frankly I add them as I go along. If you look back at posts and we create a new post, see it has an add media tag. You click on that and you upload files, or you can insert it from a URL. Categories, tags, fairly self-explanatory. Links. Now links are very important. Here you can set up links to other pages. I'll do one just to show you. Edit. Personal domains. I put in the web address, and I type in a description. And this is part of my blog role. I want it to open in a new window, and its relationship to me, it's another web address of mine. Then we will update the link. And here we have all the others. And we go through and edit them so that we can add links to sites that are important to us, or other websites that we have. You'll see where we add these a bit later on. Pages. This is where we add new pages. We just add new, and we put up the title of the page exactly the same as we would add a post. I'll come back to this in a second. Comments, self-explanatory. Feedback, self-explanatory. Appearance. Like I said, we have themes, and here we can choose amongst various themes. Some are for sale. Personally, I never buy themes. There are too many free ones available for WordPress. Just to give you an example, here's Chalkboard. We activate it, and then we visit the site, and that's how it looks. . dashboard, themes, appearance, themes, and we activate Hero again, and we're back on Hero. Next in appearance you'll see widgets. Widgets are very, very useful. But before you start on widgets, you see here we have screen options. This makes navigating with widgets a lot far easier. Enable accessibility mode. This means that you can edit and you can drag things around. I always have my meta, which is all the login, as my first footer widget area. Select. Save widget. You'll practice with these, get them right, get them wrong, and they'll work out. If we look now at the footer area, we can see we have meta down here. Back to the dashboard. So widgets are very, very useful. Appearance, widgets, and as we can see, there's a link. We added a link, all links. We want our blog roll to be our links. And we'll put that in the second footer widget. And we'll make that number 1. Save widget. My blog. And down here we have Get Inspired. There's our personal domains that we set up. So you can set up as many links as you like. Back to our dashboard. Now, settings. These are general. You can upload your own image that will appear across your across WordPress.com. You can change your title to anything you like. WordPress tutorial. E-college. There's your email address that can be changed, time, date, week starts on, etc. And you save changes. A particular note is sharing. You can add connections. So now Twitter has been added. But further on, you can add sharing buttons. You just drag them onto this column here. You can share. You can have icon plus text. And then save changes. And if we look at our WordPress tutorial, there we have all the different buttons that we can use to share. Finally, note here we have tools, and don't think that what you're doing here need be lost. You can export everything that you do here. You can download as an export file, and then when you get your real blog you could import it back up again. So don't consider this time wasted. I will import a file I created earlier. Browse. eCollege. Open. Upload file and import. Submit. It says it takes 24 hours. If we now look, see domains, it's now already up. The graphic I created, and all about what it means to have a domain. Thank you. Happy blogging.